Hello, Independence families. I'm here to talk to you about how we can continue the principles of the leader in me at home. Through a series of videos, I will walk you through creating a family mission statement. When I hear the term mission statement, the first thing I think of is a business. But then I think that some of the best organizations I have encountered have had a clear mission statement that all members understand and work to uphold. Why wouldn't I want that level of understanding and commitment from my family too? So let's start from the beginning. What does your family value? I'm not proud to admit that in my family, I have looked at other families with envy, wondering how do they keep it all together? How is their family so perfect? How are they homeschooling, working from home, keeping up with the laundry, keeping up with their children, and still getting dressed for video conferences every day? It's not breaking news that there's no such thing as a perfect family. But I'm here to share with you a process that can help you feel more balanced and in control of your life and bring some stability to your family during this uncertain time. We cannot control what's going on in the world around us right now, but we can control how we react to it. This statement is a foundational principle of the leader in me. It's habit 1, being proactive, or I am in control of me. We at Independence invite you to follow along with us as we write our family mission statements together. Today, I will take you through step 1. You will need your family, something to take notes with, and the questions that I will provide for you in the link below. Encourage discussions among all family members as you answer the questions. There are no wrong answers. Guide younger members of the family by listening to what they are saying and providing a summary of what their answer could mean. Let me give you an example to help guide you. One of the questions asks, what is important to us as a family? Your kindergartner might say, birthday parties. It may be your first reaction to reject the statement and say, no, that's not what we mean. But it's important to make everyone feel heard. So you could say, well, birthday parties are a type of celebration, and celebrations are important to this family. Then ask your child if you can write celebrations are important instead of birthdays. More than likely, your child will comply because they feel heard and understood. If you can't come to a common ground, give yourself some time to think about it. Instead of immediately shutting down and breaking down the lines of communication, instead, ask your child, can I have a moment to think about this? Or can I get back to you? Then you can have time to discuss it with your spouse, a family member, or even run it by your child's teacher. We have lots of practice in translating student responses. The key is to make everyone feel heard and respected in the process. So this week, your family homework is to do the pre-writing for your mission statement by answering these questions as a family and writing them down. This could take your family a few minutes or a few days, depending on how your family works. We look forward to seeing your family's mission statements, and as always, thank you for your continued support.